If you want good clear audio in less than ideal conditions with your iPhone, then check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a lavalier microphone. It's actually quite short. I think this is only 5 or 6 feet long, and one of the things that I really love about it, well, comes in a little pouch. Who doesn't love that? Anything comes in a pouch, including baby kangaroos, are pretty cool. But one of the things that I love about lavalier microphones is they help you pick up clear audio, and that's good for your listeners. Now, this one is specifically for iOS devices. You can see we have a lightning cable right there, and like I said, only about 5 feet long here. And so this is good for using with your iOS device in close proximity. Now, one of the things that I have a problem with is sometimes I'm on a train, a plane, sometimes I have a lot of background noise, and I don't really have a good way of recording audio. And sometimes when I've filmed in those conditions, I get a lot of background noise because it doesn't really know to pick me up. My iPhone doesn't have a boom microphone built in, so I thought something like this might help me. Now, what you can see here is we have kind of your standard, I don't know, 1/4 inch lavalier microphone right there, little foam windsock, and then an alligator clip. So it's pretty typical, should just plug in, and then I plan on using it like this. Now, obviously, in a pretty quiet environment like the one I have right here, Ma, I'm recording! And with my boom microphone right here, this is probably pretty good conditions. But I thought, why don't I go to one of the noisiest places in my house and see if this works? And so here we are. I'm sitting down right here next to my air conditioner furnace. Air ducts around me. This tends to produce a lot of noise. Even though it's not pumping out a lot of air right now, the fan is still running, venting my home, keeping the air from getting stale, but not my content. And so even though this isn't the worst of conditions, it kind of simulates having a lot of white noise, a lot of coffee shop noise around you, even though I've got this little channel here that's probably focusing my voice at my iPhone here pretty well. Now, I have my lavalier microphone clipped on here. I've got the plug here. I'm going to plug it in and see if we notice any difference. So I've gone ahead and just plugged it in and hit the record button. That took all of 5 seconds to do, maybe not even that, but the furnace is still running. Hopefully you can hear that. The fan is blowing, venting air around, but hopefully now you are picking up better audio from the lavalier microphone, at least more focused, at least more distinct speaking voice as opposed to my voice combined with all of the noise around me. So if you are trying to pick up really good audio, a lavalier microphone might help. Now, the benefit of just having a 5-foot cord like this is that it's not very long. So if I'm sitting in an airplane seat or on a train, in a coffee shop or somewhere where I need to be close to my phone and I don't need a lot of cord, well then this could come in really handy and it's super easy to pack. So if you want to pick up this little short lavalier microphone for an iOS device because you want to make your videos better and let everyone experience your videos a little happier, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
So much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.